got something in the mail today from Visible. I assume it's some kind of, maybe some perk or what have you, since they don't send out bills. My hand just blocking out the address. I'm going to go ahead, flip this over, and then open it up. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Said it's our birthday, but we're celebrating you. And let's see what this is. Well, folks, year one is in the books. What a ride. We'll be celebrating all month on social media, so follow us, Visible Mobile, to get in on the fun. Here's a year of good surprises. Love Visible. Number says, happy birthday to you, like a gift from you. Visible turns 1. So I guess it's a little pin. Okay, that looks cool. The Visible pin. The Visible pin is what came in the mail. Okay, well, that's it. I thought it was going to be something else. I thought the way it's poking out might even have been a gift card of some sort. But no, look, it's just them saying, hey, we've been around a year. So, all right, that's it. I'm out.